Well, welcome to my extremely messy kitchen. Sometimes I think that life is a mess may be an understatement, to be honest, for how my house can look sometimes. But we are going to get it cleaned up today, and hopefully it will look much better. So let's dive in.
You gotta listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know.
So I like to use the Wyman stainless steel cleaning wipes on all of the stainless steel in my house. It looks great, works amazing.
Oh, I can't get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that...
So I thought I would take a break from all of my cleaning and get myself hydrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some water with some lime in it. Super delicious, little kind of pick me up while you're cleaning.
All I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go.
Now, unfortunately, I have to move to my least favorite part, which is doing the dishes. I do hate doing the dishes. That's why it usually piles up like this. But today we're gonna get it done and hopefully make the kitchen look a lot better.
You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care.
And voila, there you have it. Nice clean kitchen. Hopefully this will motivate you guys to get up and clean your kitchen, because I know motivation definitely doesn't come easy to me, but I do love when I watch other people have their finished product and it looks so nice. Kind of makes me want to get up and get moving. So hopefully this does the same for you guys. So the next project that I wanted to include in this video is going to be an organization of my pantry. I opened my pantry today and realized it is a complete disaster. I also saw some motivational pantry organization videos, so I thought I might give it a try. And as you can see, my pantry needs quite a bit of help. So there we have it, our cleaned out pantry, looking a lot better already. I did have intentions of great organization when I moved in and started my pantry. I have the Simple Human bag holder, holds all of my Target and Publix bags. I also did these hooks on the wall to hold my cooking aprons, which work out really nicely. And the hooks are the disposable ones that you can just pull off the wall easily. And here is all of the contents of my pantry, which is quite a lot, probably for 2 people, but my husband kind of eats a lot, so I did really want to use all of those containers that I have, the pop-up containers. I do love those. I got those as a wedding gift, and so I wanted to put those to better use, and I ended up being able to do that whenever I reorganized my pantry. And there you have it, the final product. I also cut open the dog bags just to make them a little bit easier. I do eventually want to get some containers for those. I have put to use all of my pop-up containers and kind of organized all of my cans, and then all the snacks as well. So this is the finished product. I hope that this encourages you guys to go ahead and organize your pantry, because it really does make life so much easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys feel inspired, and remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.